Every leather journey begins long before the factory doors open.
Healthy livestock ensures strong, usable hides.
Careful handling preserves skin integrity from the start.
Preservation begins immediately. Preservation begins at the source. Raw hides are handled immediately to prevent damage. The journey continues toward transformation. Controlled transport protects raw value.
Timing is everything.
Temperature and hygiene remain critical. Preparation pauses, precision continues. Inside these walls, raw skin becomes luxury. Preparation sets the foundation. Fibers begin to open. Precision protects the grain. Purity is restored. Science guides craftsmanship.
This is where leather is born.
Balance defines luxury. Flexibility is refined.
Defects are identified early.
Only premium grades proceed. Technology ensures consistency. Efficiency meets care. Every variable is tracked. Automation supports craftsmanship. Color defines identity. Patience perfects texture. Touch elevates quality.
Human eyes make the difference.
Perfection is completed.
strength is verified.
Detail matters.
Quality must last.
Only the best pass through.
Ready for the world.
Protection continues.
Inventory awaits demand.
After precision checks, the leather is ready for the global market.
Global journeys begin here.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.
And this is how modern factories produce cow leather from start to finish.